So here comes the solution for the last video. First thing first, when the anchor is dropped from the boat, the weight of the boat decreases. If the weight of the boat decreases, the upthrust required to keep the boat floating will decrease. Hence, the volume displaced of fluid by the boat will decrease. Hence, the boat will rise up. That is okay, and I think most of you got that the boat will definitely rise up. Now comes the second part. When you drop the anchor from boat into water, what happens to the level of water? To understand this, we need to understand three things first. First, the force of upthrust is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced. The force of upthrust is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced. Second, for a floating body, the force of upthrust is equal to the weight of the body. For a floating body, the force of upthrust is equal to the weight of the body. And the third important thing, if a body sinks, then the force of upthrust on the body is less than its own weight. Now, when the anchor is on the boat, using the boat, it floats. So using the boat, it displaces water of weight equal to its own weight. When you drop the anchor into the water, it sinks because there it displaces water of weight less than its own weight. So I ask you, in which case there is more displacement of water because of anchor. So on the top of boat, it displaces water of weight equal to its own weight. Inside water, it displaces water less than its own weight. So it displaces more water being on the top of boat. Hence, when the anchor is dropped from boat into the water, the liquid level falls because now anchor displaces lesser amount of water. So the answer to the last question is option 4.